Hi everyone, it's Amit here on Every Tech Matters, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and an initial view of the Kent hand blender. This Kent hand blender is a high power stainless steel blender, and you can see that it has got few features in it, which is variable speed control, detachable shaft, low noise operation, and it is supposedly easy to clean and store. So before I bought this Kent hand blender, I had another one, which is the Murphy Richards Pronto Deluxe hand blender. This has served me well, but there were a couple of issues. One was that its cable got faulty. I tried to fix it, but again, it's again getting faulty. The other thing was that this is a plastic body, right? It has. I think I bought it 3 to 4 years back, and if you would see that the bottom portion, right, which is basically the part which blends, has gone bad, and it's gone really bad, which becomes a hazard. Actually, this is a replacement part. The original part had gone bad long back, and even the replacement part hasn't served really well. So it was time to get a new blender, and I searched up in the market, and we have chosen to take this Kent hand blender. So this is a 400 watt. It has got 400 watt powered DC motor, and since it is all stainless steel and it comes with variable speed control, so that means that it's easy to clean, it has got good power, and it should be able to do the job that it is supposed to be doing. So let's just open it and see what's inside the box. But just before that, we'll see what are the various specifications for this. So the product color is silver. It is basically the stainless steel color. We have got the weight, approximately 860 gram is the gross weight, and the net weight is 685 gram. So it's also not too heavy, though it's a stainless steel body, and power is 400 watt that we have seen. The MRP it says is 2100 INR, Indian rupees, but I got for approximately around 1400 rupees on Amazon during the sale. So let's open this box and see what's inside, what are the various contents that's inside this box. So it comes in a thermocol packing. Okay, so here we have got the blender, and what we also have is a warranty card that has come along with it, and some terms and conditions of the warranty. There is some installation report. I'm not sure how do we need to get the installation done. I thought it was pretty easy for anybody to install it by themselves. Let's unwrap it and bring this beauty out. Okay, so this is the blender that we have got on our hand. As you can see at the top, there is a dial. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings by which you can control the speed of this. So you can rotate this dial in a clockwise direction to increase the speed, and you can again move it in the anti-clockwise direction to decrease the speed. There's a logo of Kent Smart Chef over here, and if we see, there are 2 buttons. One is a power button, and the other one is probably to function it, right? When you press it, then you should be able to use that. On the back, we see there is again some specification noted over here. There's a product code, power supply, and some IP number. It's an ISI certified. It has been tested, so that's what they're saying. This is tested okay. If you see, the design is quite nice, right? It's quite beautiful, and since it is a steel one, hence I do not have a fear of that this will break down. Let's see if we are able to open it. Well, okay. Here are the plastic components of it. This still seems quite sturdy, right? If we see, it's very easy to lock. You should be able to hear a lock. So it tells you very clearly that this has been locked, and that it should be easy to use. Talking about the length of the wire, let's look at how long the wire is. So this seems to be like approximately 1 to 1.5 meter length of the wire, which means that you should be able to plug it easily in your kitchen and should be able to use that. The plug is the Indian Indian design plug, because as you know, this is an Indian product, hence that is how this product has been designed. So that's all that I wanted to cover, how the review of the same is, and is there any issues or what my feedback is. I'll come up with another video soon on that. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that now. I'll be back with another video soon. Till that time, have a great day and enjoy your rest of the day.